Right. So, just another dilemma. I've got to figure out how to do this anyway, because I need to check if Piper is there to say something, you know? So anyway, what was I saying? I can't remember what I was saying. What we need to do is check who is in there's a faction here. Right, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's not good. No. Sorry. Right, so here's the thing. Oh, this is okay. Here's the thing. Is there two Curies? There's companion Curie. Oh, encounter Curie robot, Curie sim. So what we need. So there's two ways to go about it. The easy one is to say, go down the list. See, the problem is just trying not to like recreate code. So what you want to do is say, is anyone in this faction greater than -1? Because if they are, that means they're a companion. If they're not, then you've got to if not, then don't run it. But I don't know if I can do that, if I can grab that based on what it's saying in hither. So, but what we can do is do a big if statement based on what was said here. Get a function rank on the ref ID. So we can do like a condition in the script to make it so like you can do if, say, Kate is in faction, put her in that marker there, and we can do it like that. I don't know how that would affect multi-follower stuff, because if you do like Kate, Deacon and Garv, it all spawn in that on that bit. I don't know if it'll like try and kick him out or just do like the last one, or if it'll crash basically. But we need to do an if. It'll need to be like a case. It'll need to be like a switch statement, and that the idea is like case. Like you do if, then you need a faction. It's just, it'd be a lot easier to check if there's any in any who's got one or above. What does it change to actually? Let's just go to quest here and do Piper, companion Piper. Do scenes, pick up scene. Do nothing. Cancel. Do nothing. Do nothing. Why does it do nothing? Oh, down there. Oh, so they've put it in 3 phases. So EQS 80 pickup companion. So there's a crash stage for 80. Follow scope, get set companion alias. Okay, so what's that in the script? No, where is that script? Sorry, that's what I was trying to say. Follower script, get script. So I just seen if there was anything. So in here, scripts, in here, Registered direct events. I don't want that. I just want to know. So let's just like copy that. Open Notepad. If I can spell it. Open up that. Copy that and then find follower. Find set. Let's just do companion. Actor companion actor equals companion. Is there a Piper? If you're just typing Piper, is there a Piper in? Find ordinary kind document. There's no Piper. Companion. Kit for handling, follow it. Companion affinity line 5. Lightering. Companion, right. On crippled, dog meat companion, enter bleep out, give command. Actor equals companion actor, get actor reference. Line 17. Oh, I don't know what I'm trying to do here. No. Cancel, cancel. Get creation kit, get active follower. Get a reference to current companion, that's what so follower equals companion then. You want to try and pick an ASO current companion from a villain companion management request. Has been companion. Thanks. As game.get player followers sometimes turns X companions that same location isn't faction. This is companion. Right. So this is why the fucking forms are brilliant. So thanks as game.get player followers. Where is that in the creation kit? This is what I mean, like player. Oh. Fuck you. Oh, this is why you gotta read, kids. This is why you gotta read. So. Right, okay. If null, we need a if null. I'm trying to think here, so Ellen. That's the wrong one. Convince. Do we need to be add property of actor? Fudgenickle. Cancel that. Where's it gone? Oh, it's that one. Well, that does X followers apparently, so we need to do this. So it just needs to be while it's loading up that line. So function blah 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 condense. Does that work just like that? I can't remember. Right, so we need to do that. We need to do this. Actor, player followers. Then we need to do. What do we need to do? No, what we need to do is put this at the end. So X. Oh, I'm gonna delete that. So actor, player followers, game. And while then if player followers top length equals 0, nothing else, put actor in there. And just be the first actor, because that should. Okay. So doesn't even make sure what the if statement looks like. I mean, hit that. Why is that not working now? If no, that's not what I'm looking for. Operators. No. Function. No. Statement. Right, so if da 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 equals 1, right? So if I'm just going to put that over there. So if, actually I'm just going to double check it. Creation, okay, if statement. Yeah, okay. So if so we do if player followers dot len length. Now is that a oh, I lost it. So I just got to find the thing again on the site. That's just a line. So if player follows dot length equals oh no, not less. It's if equals 0, then fuck all. And if else is it not going to come over now? No, it didn't, because it technically worked. Okay, that's fine. So player follower. Don't do player follower. Yeah. So now we need to create a property. Add property, object reference, and we're going to do ln companion lean marker. That's it. Click OK. Click. Yep. And then edit value, pick reference, and all in. Click OK. Then edit that source again. That's the exit. So else player followers 1 dot move 2, and then it puts it right at the bottom for some reason. C. Move 2. V. Save. Boom! Now, we've got to reference the exit bit for that, so they get out of that cell. Let's close that, press save, and then we go into good neighbor. No, sorry. Good G. Good neighbor. Third rail. Oh my god. Close. Why send your soul? Boop. File data. And that's just to put the leaners. This isn't actually part of the mod, it's just to have that little bit of more like extra touch. But we want it, so ham comes in. To really get ham's reference as well. Because for some reason, I don't know, yeah. Like, no matter. Come on. You bloody thing. Right. Let's try and load up again. Good neighbor the third round. Sometimes works, sometimes. Is it just good name? Is it just that cell? All right. Let that load. Shit. Okay, let's just load up a thing, one I haven't touched. Because if it doesn't work, I'll delete Fallout 4 and delete all the mods. I'll uninstall them all anyway. So that works. There's the Hotel Rexford. Right, is it just ones I've touched to make things work? And then the third rail. Great. Great. Have I got Fallout 4 in it? I do. Right, let's load up Nexus then. We don't want that one, we want Fallout 4. Oh my god. So it's putting it in the top right corner here. There we go. Stream programs, big data, projects, Fallout 4, modding tools, Fallout 4 edits. Hello. So all we want, select none. We want that one and that one. Or do we just want that one? Just want that one. Because it'll load up Fallout 4 because it's a requirement. Okay. So. Good Neighbor Hotel, Good Neighbor, the third rail. Oh, why does it destroy it? Wait, how have I placed shit? And the third rail. Does it need cleaning? Check for errors. Oh, that's okay. Fuck it, we'll do bloody Fallout 4 as well. Clean masters. Okay. Cell, block 2, subblock 6, good neighbor, persistence. What has it done? That's what it's referenced to. I haven't touched it, I'll just... It's just where it is. Am I going to fuck it up if I touch this? Okay, tell you what I'm going to do. Delete, cancel it. Cancel, just delete it. Get rid of it. Load it up on its own. Just Fallout 4. Load up the good rail. Don't set it as active. Just load that up. Right, so simply put, if it crashes here, it's two things. Either I've edited something in there and it doesn't like what I've done in it, and the only thing I've done is those two chairs where basically the idea is that's where people land when they come out of the VIP room, just to give them like a place to go. And so I'm not editing. The idea was I don't want to edit the third rail so I didn't break anything. Right. So the third rail. If you load now, we know it's my mod. If you don't, other things must go into play. So it's other things. Close program. Right, okay. So how do I disable? Okay, so go to plugins. So that's what's from the creation kit. So now it's just, yeah. So nothing should be affecting it. File, data. Welcome to Fallout 4 modding, when you're trying to troubleshoot the creation kit more than working on your mod. Because I need to get back in there anyway, because I need to be able to access an object to teleport people back in and out. And do stuff in the bloody third rail to like select people. What's going to be interesting as well is see if Magnolia works. Because, as I said, if you've got a body mod enabled, Creation Kit will try and load it because it uses the data from the game, so it'll try and load mods for some reason, especially like loose files like that. And so if you load like body mods, it will actually crash it because it tries to do that preview, which is why you get some problems here, like the textures and that, like making the game making Fallout the Creation Kit crash. So now it's all to say, well, I might just see if I can load up Magnolia. You know, so why not? Because what was it, body slide kind of changes the, what was it, is it the .hkx file? Like the body slide stuff? So like all the objects are the same like size and all that? Right, so the third rail. Crash for me. It loaded. Okay, set that as the active one. Okay, this is why you don't do mods, kids. It doesn't like it. Doesn't like it at all. Oh shit. I mean, if we can just get in here, we're fine. Alright, moment of truth. Fingers crossed, motherfuckers. Hey, look at that. There's a fucking texture, one of the other mods. Or script or a reference. Okay, next off. Just disabling it, make Magnolia work. Can't load up her file. Oh, I can, look at that. Thank God. Not changing anything to it, I just wanted to see if I can make shift to it. Right, so. I've changed the account. Where the fuck have I gone? Wait, what? Okay. Oh, hang on, just layers, take that off. Just makes it cleaner. Right, so these are all the people. There's Ham! So, oh, what was I doing? I was just trying to see because what I've changed, because I haven't actually changed anything. I think you spawn in this one. No. I was like, you don't touch anything. I haven't touched anything. Do you know what? I'm just gonna. I might delete it because it's it's fucking fine, isn't it? Right. So what I need to do is find the what's that one? Cock marker heading. Guard marker. Scene exit. What's that one? No. So I need to find an object which the fucking follower can sit in as well. Is there like a, there's no lean or anything? Fudge, a nickel. Right, okay. Because the idea is that you grab a chair that no one's sitting at. Where's the lean there? We'll put the follower here. That's Ham downstairs lean. Okay, so maybe not quite. Right. Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows anywhere. Because if you're, hang on. I'm pretty sure I'll put you here. I'm going to have to load up my quest. ln convince. Go to properties. I want VIP exit. Reference. Nice Magnolia. We want player exit. NPC couch. Withered sit 1. NPC couch. Withered sit 1. Where's that? What? NPC couch. Withered sit 1. Oh, right, you landed it in there. I forgot I landed it in there. Of course I do. So why is that changed? Edit. I've done nothing to it. I've just slightly moved, haven't I? Because of the way it snapped. Right, so. Can I get the follower to sit next to him? Can I do that? Or shall I do it like there? Because I'm just thinking, oh, robot. They can't use the markers, can they? Will that cause a problem if you're using Cogsworth? Do you know what? We're going to have... Okay. Wait. It's a big fucking... It's not actually that much of a... Okay. So, convince. We need to add... Quest aliases. We need a new reference for the follower. Let's go back to Hotel Rex. No, not that one. If anyone's asking what these are just basically duplicate cells, but I'm not touching anything in the original game. So you see, that's just basically just been deleted to help loading. Fuck you. Right, so let's load up the VIP rail. Okay, so go in there. So oh crap, what was I doing? We did an if. Inside the if. Do we? So you just stand there. I don't know. I'm kind of done. I'm going to make a different video instead because I thought of a good idea for a video. So